The right case fan makes your PC run cooler, quieter, and longer, and the wrong one makes it louder, without meaningfully improving airflow. 5 fans tested across silence, performance, RGB, and value. All 5 links are in the description. Let's get into it. Welcome to Unbox Daily, where we test what you are about to spend your money on. 5 PC case fans. Let's go. Tom's Hardware named the Noctua NF-A12x25 G2 the top silence-optimized fan of 2026, calling it game-changing and the quietest, most refined fan they have ever tested. The G2 generation carries significant engineering upgrades over the already excellent original NF-A12x25, a new progressive bend impeller design, a second-generation ETA-Perf 3-phase motor, and refined PWM signal processing that allows the fan to run at lower speeds while moving the same amount of air, meaning your system gets cooler without the fan becoming audible. HW Cooling called it the most efficient fan they have ever tested after independent evaluation. The SSO2 bearing provides long-term reliability for use on radiators, CPU, heatsinks, and case intake or exhaust positions. The upgrade from the first-generation NF-A12x25 is meaningful enough that existing owners who prioritize silence will notice the difference immediately. At $40, it is the most expensive standard 120mm fan available, and it earns every dollar. That is link 1 in the description. Tap it right now. Subscribe to Unbox Daily, the best PC hardware and build reviews every single day. The Arctic P12 Pro is the fan that makes every reviewer ask why it costs so little. Tom's Hardware tested it directly against the Noctua NF-A12x25 G2 and found its airflow performance sits neck and neck with Noctua, the most expensive fan category, at a fraction of the cost. The P12 Pro uses a fluid dynamic bearing for quiet, long-life operation. The impeller geometry is optimized for static pressure, making it particularly effective when used on radiators, behind dust filters, and in restricted airflow paths where pressure matters more than open airflow. A dual ball bearing variant is available for applications where longevity under sustained heat is the priority. The main distinction from the Noctua is a modest amount of additional mechanical noise at the same speed, which most users will never notice in a closed case at typical listening distances. For builders who want genuine high-end fan performance at a budget that leaves room for the rest of the build, the Arctic P12 Pro is the most sensible choice on this list. That is link 2 in the description. Tap it now. The Arctic P12 Pro RGB delivers exactly the same airflow and static pressure performance as the standard P12 Pro, with addressable RGB lighting added for builders who want aesthetics alongside function. The ARGB LED ring illuminates the fan frame and produces smooth, even lighting, visible through tempered glass side panels. Compatible with all major ARGB motherboard headers and ecosystem software, including ASUS AuraSync, MSI, Mystic Light, Gigabyte, RGB Fusion, and ASRock Polychrome, without requiring a separate controller. The illuminated hub and frame create a complete lighting effect that looks clean and consistent across matching builds. Performance characteristics are identical to the non-RGB P12 Pro. The RGB version does not trade cooling capability for lighting, for builders assembling an ARGB lit system who do not want to sacrifice fan performance to achieve the aesthetic. The Arctic P12 Pro RGB provides both at a price that remains significantly below premium alternatives with comparable lighting output. Tom's Hardware named the Phanteks T30 the top high-performance fan of 2026, noting simply that it outmuscles standard 120mm designs. The T30's defining feature is its 30mm frame depth rather than the standard 25mm found on every other fan on this list. That extra depth allows a thicker, more aggressive impeller to push significantly more air through a radiator or fan mount than a standard fan can achieve at equivalent noise levels, which is why it leads performance testing across every major review publication. The LCP impeller material shares the same high rigidity polymer Noctua uses in premium designs. The T30 ships with a dual-speed switch on the fan itself. The default position caps speed for everyday use, while the advanced position unlocks full performance for demanding cooling scenarios. Daisy chain connectors allow multiple T30 fans to run from a single fan header. 6-year warranty included, for the builder who needs the most cooling performance a 120mm fan can deliver. The T30 delivers it definitively. The Arctic P8 Max is the 80mm fan that overturned expectations in independent testing. STS Tutorial placed it at the top of their 80mm benchmark results, noting it pushed beyond fans that should theoretically outperform it at this size, a meaningful result for small form factor builders who typically accept performance compromises when working within tight chassis dimensions. The P8 Max uses an optimized impeller geometry designed to maintain strong airflow in the confined spaces where 80mm fans most commonly operate, such as rear exhaust positions, CPU cooler applications in compact cases, and GPU fan replacement scenarios. Fluid dynamic bearing keeps noise low and operational lifelong. For builders working with mini i8TX or micro ATX cases, where 120mm fans simply do not fit, or for any system with an 80mm fan position that needs better performance than the stock option. The Arctic P8 Max is the most capable 80mm fan available at its price. That is link 5 in the description, the last one. Tap it now. Subscribe to Unbox Daily right now. The best PC hardware and cooling reviews every single day. The quietest and most refined 120mm fan with the Noctua NF-A12x25 G2. Noctua level performance at budget pricing with the Arctic P12 Pro. The same performance with RGB, lighting from the Arctic P12 Pro RGB, the highest performing 120mm fan available with the Phanteks T30, and the best 80mm fan for compact builds with the Arctic P8 Max. All 5 links in the description. I will catch you in the next one.